when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma in my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some chicken breast right here. We have our Brussels sprouts, Parmesan cheese, our breadcrumbs. So shout out to my good YouTube family, Crystal. That's what she requested. She wanted me to make some. This is what she wanted me to make. She wanted me to make some Parmesan crust chicken, roasted Brussels sprouts, and garlic mashed potatoes. So here you go right here, Crystal. I'm about to make it happen right here in this Good Kitchen. Okay, so here go our 3 pieces of meat. Now we just go just beat it real good. Poke some holes in there. We want that seasoning get all through the meat. Nice little flavor. Okay, so here go our seasoning right here. We have 2 tablespoons of that paprika, 3 tablespoons of that ranch dressing seasoning, and 3 tablespoons of that Italian seasoning. So this is the seasoning we're using right here. So 2, 3, 3. Okay, everything right here mixed together. We have our chicken in the bag. Boom. Okay, we have this ranch dressing, this buttermilk ranch dressing. We'll use about a 1/3 cup. Boom. Probably like a half a cup right there. Came out too fast. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this in, show y'all how it looked. We're gonna let it marinate for a couple hours. Then we're gonna start cooking. Okay, so we got 2 hours later. Got me some vegetable oil in the pan. Now it's time to start cooking. First, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to get the last piece in there. We're gonna let it run. Okay, so I flipped the chicken. That's how the chicken looking. So we'll let it finish cooking. That's the color I'm looking for right there. Now we have our breadcrumbs. We have our butter melted. I gotta excuse the noise because we got the nurse here from my mother-in-law. So she baby my mother-in-law. But here we go right here. And add our breadcrumbs. We're gonna mix it in. Alright. So now we'll go ahead and add our cheese on there. We're gonna put this in the oven and boil. Just like so. Okay. Breadcrumbs on there. Alright, so we're going under the boil. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen. Crystal, done. The video you request, made it happen. We had a garlic mashed potatoes. Parmesan crusted chicken. Everything you requested right here on the plate. The video would have came out a little better if I had somebody here to hold the camera for me. But you know, it's a one-man army. But I did my thing right here in this kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now that I had a good time filming with y'all, don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice. And yes, around 7:30, this Good Friday, I will be going live. So all my good family and friends, come tap in with me.